Dear friends, dear colleagues, it is a pleasure to mark the inauguration of K2, the latest nuclear power reactor to begin operations in Pakistan. Pakistan is one of several countries looking to nuclear power to help supply its growing energy needs and make progress towards its climate change goals. I'm pleased Pakistan requested the IAEA's assistance in strengthening its nuclear power program. We have been working together to train relevant staff, expand physical infrastructure, and in organizing more than 45 expert missions and workshops. However, the IAEA's assistance to Pakistan doesn't stop at nuclear power. It also encompasses areas such as food and agriculture, human health, water resource management, industrial applications, climate change mitigation, and environmental protection. Each of these collaborations helps move Pakistan closer to meeting its socio-economic and sustainable development goals. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan has a long history of working with nuclear energy, nuclear science, and its applications. The long-standing collaboration between Pakistan and the IAEA started with Pakistan being the 6th country to ratify the IAEA statute, one of the 18 ratifications that were required to bring the IAEA statute, and hence its mandate, into force. Pakistan's national nuclear power program stretches back to 1972, and today's event marks the addition of a 6th commercial nuclear power reactor to its national fleet. As Pakistan looks to the future, constructing additional plants to help meet the rising energy demands of a growing nation, it is important to remember that nuclear safety and security always comes first. The safe, the reliable maintenance and operation of nuclear power plants requires the close and consistent collaboration of thousands of technical experts, government policymakers, and industry regulators. This builds all-important public confidence in nuclear technology and in the professionals who are responsible for it. As Pakistan marks this important milestone today, I wish it continued success in the safe, secure, and peaceful use of nuclear science and technology. Thank you. Congratulations.